Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Taco saying hello to you, and that's Taco having a bit of an itch. Thanks Taco, you can go outside mate. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to look at finding the midpoint of a line segment, and for the example I've got here, we're going to look at between the coordinate points 2, 4 and 5, 1. So there's three ways we can go about doing this. First way is the old school way, where we basically get a Cartesian plane, and I've done my axes up here, y-axis, x-axis, and you can see I've got the point 2, 4 just here, and the point 5, 1 here. Now I could use the Pythagoras theorem and make a triangle to find out how long it is, so that's probably a fourth option, but I can actually just measure it with my ruler here, and I'm getting 4.5 centimeters long, and I could halve that, so that'd be 2.25 centimeters, which we can put mark on about here. 2.25 centimeters. So that's one way. The other way is to use some mathematics. So we actually have an equation that we can use. So the midpoint of a line is adding the two x coordinates together and dividing it by 2 to get our x coordinate, and adding the y coordinates together and dividing it by 2. So it's pretty much like an average. So with the points 2, 4 and 5, 1, we add the two x coordinates together, 2 and 5, the y coordinates together, 4 and 1, and we divide it by 2, which gives us 7 over 2 and 5 over 2, or the coordinates 3.5 and 2.5. So that's the second way that we can do that. We can see how that relates back to our Cartesian plane, because when I add the two x coordinates together, which is 2 and 5, I'm just adding that up, so that's 7, and then if I divide it up by 2, it's 3.5, so that's going to bring me to here. So I can go up there and I can see my midpoints lying on that. And we do the same we do with the y coordinates. Add 4 and 1 together, that gives me 6. 6 divided by, it's 5. So 4 plus 1 equals 5, and 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So if we got 2.5 on the y-axis, come over and we can see that's the midpoint for that line. Now the third way, which is probably the easy way, is with our friend GeoGebra. I'll put those two coordinate points in there, and we can see them up there on the Cartesian plane. What I can do is quickly get a line segment happening down on there, connect the two. So I've got my line segment, well, there we go, our line segment there. Now there is a function on here where under construct, if you can see that there, it says midpoint or center. So I can click on that, come over to my line, and then click on it, and it brings it up on the graph there for me. And I can go back over here to click on the calculator, and it's told me my midpoint's 3.5, 2.5, which is the same as what I've done with the mathematics. There we go. Thanks ladies and gents. Bye.